Registering projects or new samples for new tests for general and meat industry customers share similarities in the process, but with a key difference in what information needs to be provided in the project details. A meat industry customer will be recommended to use a meat detailed project template, which requires more fields to be populated compared to the general detailed template in the project summary window. We will quickly go through these fields and see how they affect the sample fields during sample login. Looking in the summary page, we notice the same mandatory fields found in the general project template, such as the custom field, the contract number, the project type, and also the submission reference and pre-reg barcode fields. Additional mandatory fields specific to the meat detailed template include the meat program, meat product, and species fields. We can now start entering data into our fields, starting with submission reference. Call it Demo Meat Project 1. And then our pre-reg barcode field. We can select our meat program in our sample template, where we are presented with 6 different options. And depending on what we select for our sample template, should autofill some of the fields in the project summary. Notice that the sample template is bulk product, sample type is bulk product, and now the meat type is also bulk product. If we fill out the last mandatory field, and now we are ready to log samples. We can use our recommended function of the Save and Continue button. We can set the number of samples in the top right hand corner, where we can type it in or use the arrows to adjust the numbers. Click Set to set the number of samples. Now we can start specifying our sample information, and depending on what we've entered in the project summary page, some fields are already pre-populated with those information. And start entering our sample reference name, product, notice that the product matrix and species fields derive their information from the project summary page. Once all fields have been filled, we can now log our samples. We can check our samples in our Samples tab. Once all samples are entered, we can now start assigning our tests. The way tests are added to the samples in the project shares the same process found in the How to Register a New Submission training video, where we use our general template. This concludes our training video on how to enter project details and log samples for meat industry customers.